Air pollution is a complex phenomenon that emerged as early as the dawn of human civilization, primarily due to the rapid increase in industrial activities and the widespread burning of fossil fuels. This phenomenon has its roots in the Industrial Revolution, which began in the late 18th century in England, marking the beginning of a new era characterized by increased energy production, transportation, and manufacturing. The Industrial Revolution saw the rise of factories, which led to the widespread use of coal as an energy source, a decision that would have severe environmental consequences. Coal combustion, which emits large amounts of sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter, significantly contributed to air pollution. Moreover, urbanization increased during this period, leading to a surge in vehicle emissions and the construction of more industrial and residential buildings, which further exacerbated air pollution. Despite these challenges, air pollution gradually gained attention in the mid-20th century, when environmental awareness began to emerge. The 1960s and 1970s witnessed the establishment of several environmental laws, such as the Clean Air Act in the United States, which aimed to control air pollution and regulate emissions. These regulations resulted in measurable improvements in air quality, such as a 40% reduction in sulfur dioxide emissions in the United States between 1970 and 2000, and a 50% reduction in nitrogen oxides emissions between 1970 and 1990. However, air pollution continues to be a significant public health issue, causing an estimated 7 million premature deaths annually. Globally, particulate matter pollution, especially in urban areas, is a major concern, accounting for approximately 4 million premature deaths each year. Air pollution has also had measurable impacts on the economy, with estimates indicating that air pollution costs the global economy around $5 trillion annually. Despite progress made, air pollution remains a pervasive and persistent issue, with major challenges including the continued reliance on fossil fuels, the growth of the global population, and the lack of adequate environmental policies and enforcement. As technology continues to advance, future projections suggest that the adoption of cleaner energy sources, such as wind and solar power, and the implementation of more stringent emissions regulations will mitigate air pollution, potentially reducing global air pollution-related deaths to around 3 million by 2050.